Imagine a world where the borders between blockchains simply vanish. No more risky bridges and no more technical headaches. Welcome to Crypto Eye Predictor. Today, we are analyzing a project that is literally rewriting the rules of interoperability, ZetaChain. In a market currently obsessed with fragmented Layer 2s, ZetaChain is building the Internet of blockchains that actually works. It is the only public L1 that can connect everything, including chains like Bitcoin and Dogecoin that weren't designed for smart contracts. Before we break down the revolutionary ZetaChain 2.0 upgrade and reveal the AI-driven price target for this 2026 bull run, make sure to subscribe. Disclaimer: the following content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. Consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. Now, what is ZetaChain? ZetaChain is the first and only decentralized L1 blockchain with built-in agnostic interoperability. This is a game changer in 2026. To understand why, you have to understand the bridge problem. Traditionally, moving funds meant locking real coins and getting wrapped versions. If the bridge got hacked, your real coins were gone. This has led to billions in losses over the last few years in the crypto space. ZetaChain deletes this risk. It uses Omnichain smart contracts and Omnichain accounts to manage assets natively on any external chain. This allows a single contract sitting on ZetaChain to natively manage assets on any external chain without the need for wrapped tokens. Looking at the 2026 ecosystem, we see a massive expansion. One of the biggest pillars is the integration of artificial intelligence. With the launch of Anuma AI services, ZetaChain is now the universal layer where AI models can trigger on-chain actions through text. Imagine ChatGPT or Claude managing your portfolio across multiple blockchains through a single interface on ZetaChain. That is the 2026 reality. Then there's native Bitcoin DeFi. ZetaChain upgrades Bitcoin by allowing developers to build dApps that use actual BTC, not a representation. You can now lend or borrow against your actual Bitcoin. This unlocks trillions in liquidity that was previously stagnant on the Bitcoin network. Let's talk about unified gas. This is the ultimate user experience feature. You can pay for transaction fees on any chain using only Zeta. It is the universal currency for the multi-chain world. No more holding 5 different native tokens just to move your assets around. As we navigate this 2026 bull run, the biggest narrative is the death of fragmentation. Projects that solve user experience are the winners. The average person doesn't care which chain they are on. They just want their apps to work. ZetaChain makes the technology invisible. ZetaChain has achieved massive scale, surpassing 11.5 million users and processing over 225 million transactions as of this quarter. The 2.0 upgrade, which went live in early 2026, introduced enhanced privacy features and a dedicated AI interoperability layer. This positions ZetaChain at the intersection of the two most powerful trends in technology today: blockchain and artificial intelligence. With the chain abstraction framework, developers build universal apps that feel like a standard mobile app, while ZetaChain handles the logic. Now let's look at tokenomics and the deflationary engine. The Zeta token is the functional heart of this entire network. Its value is tied directly to the volume of the entire multi-chain economy. As more people use it, the demand for Zeta scales. Zeta is the intermediary asset for every swap. If someone swaps ETH for BTC via ZetaChain, Zeta is used as the bridge of value. Validators stake Zeta to secure the network and earn a portion of the transaction fees. This keeps the network decentralized and secure. The real kicker is the burn mechanism. Up to 70% of protocol fees are systematically burned, reducing the total supply over time. As the universal EVM gains more adoption and institutional liquidity flows into Omnichain prediction markets, the pressure on Zeta increases. With a total supply capped at 2.1 billion and a growing portion locked in staking, we are seeing a significant supply squeeze in 2026. This architecture shows Bitcoin, Ethereum, and AI models all connecting through the central Zeta hub, creating a singular point of control. Our proprietary AI models at Crypto AI Predictor have been processing the latest on-chain growth metrics for the bull run peak. We've analyzed the network velocity, the interoperability multiplier, and the current sentiment in the extreme fear and greed cycles. Our neural networks are spotting a structural revaluation signature. This happens when a project moves from niche tech to industry utility. ZetaChain is becoming the backbone for decentralized AI and cross-chain markets. We project a massive influx of retail and institutional liquidity. As the bull run reaches its final parabolic stage, the convergence of the Omnichain and AI narratives will dominate the entire market. Factoring in the historical recovery patterns and the 5 trillion total crypto market cap projection, the results are exceptionally bullish. According to our latest deep learning simulation, the price of ZetaChain is predicted to hit a massive target of 1.80. Reaching the level of 1.80 would represent a total re-rating of ZetaChain, moving its market cap into the multi-billion-dollar top 20 tier. This represents a valuation where Zeta is recognized as the universal gas for the global blockchain economy, facilitating billions in volume. Our AI suggests that the path to 180 will be accelerated by the mainstream SMS integration in emerging markets across the globe. Users will send and receive value across any blockchain using just a simple text message powered by ZetaChain's Omnichain primitives. ZetaChain is the connective tissue of the future. It doesn't just compete with other blockchains, it makes them all better. In the 2026 bull run, the projects that win are the ones that make crypto invisible and easy for the end user. ZetaChain does exactly that. Keep a close eye on the universal app deployment numbers and the total volume of Bitcoin being moved through ZRC20 primitives. Those numbers are the true heartbeat of the protocol. They tell the real story of adoption and long-term value capture for the network. To wrap things up, ZetaChain represents one of the most asymmetric opportunities of the current cycle. Its utility is simply unmatched. When you look at the risk-reward ratio, the Omnichain solution offers a unique hedge against the fragmentation of the rest of the market. It's not just about interoperability, it's about a new standard of smart contract execution that is chain-agnostic at its core. The developer community is flocking to ZetaChain because it simplifies the stack. One codebase for every blockchain is the ultimate dream. This write once, deploy everywhere philosophy is what will drive the next generation of killer apps in the decentralized world. Institutional players are looking for security and ease of use. ZetaChain's audited Omnichain accounts provide exactly that level of comfort. We are heading into the most exciting phase of the 2026 bull run. Position yourself with the data, not just the hype. Project Zeta is data-heavy. At Crypto AI Predictor, we believe in the math. The growth metrics for ZetaChain are some of the strongest we've seen across all L1s. When compared to other leading L1s, ZetaChain's unique ability to handle non-smart contract chains gives it a moat that is very hard to bridge. Thank you for joining us for this deep dive. We are committed to bringing you the highest level insights in the industry. Stay connected. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss our next AI price update as the market moves toward 1.80. Join the discussion in the comments below. What is your price target for Zeta in this 2026 bull run? We read every single insight you share. This is Crypto AI Predictor signing off. Trade smart, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next analysis. The future is Omnichain. One final reminder, trading digital assets involves significant risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. This video is for education only. The information provided here is current as of early 2026. Market conditions change rapidly, so always verify the latest on-chain data yourself. Conduct your own due diligence. We are analysts, not advisors. Your financial journey is your own responsibility. Be careful out there. Copyright 2026, Crypto AI Predictor. All rights reserved. Unauthorized reproduction is strictly prohibited. Thank you for your support.